guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis and today we will be watching Revived by CPR Kitten Growth Time Lapse. I can't wait to watch this. I absolutely adore cats of any kind, big ones, small ones, black ones, red ones, yellow ones, green ones, orange ones. I love cats, period. I don't care. And this looks like maybe a little kitten was having a hard time right after birth. So let's see what happens with this little kitten and how the little guy got so strong and was able to fight this. By the way, I also have a goal on my channel for 100,000 subscribers. So if you would like to help me reach that goal, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. That would really help me out. And also just like and comment. You can dislike any type of constructive criticism. If I keep bumping this. Any type of constructive cut. Any type of constructive criticism is welcomed on my channel. I would love to hear your opinions, and that thumbs down will tell me whether or not you enjoyed it or not. How many people did not enjoy it, basically. Anywho, let's get to this video and see this cute little baby kitten. What is he doing? Breathing on him? What is he doing? Is the baby alive? Oh, the purring. I love it. I just love it. Oh, the baby's alive. Hey, baby. Hi. Oh, yeah. What a little angel. Okay, so I get it. At the beginning, he was rubbing on the kitten and breathing on the kitten to get it to basically come back, you know. I guess the kitten was going to pass away, but he helped the kitten kind of hold on to life. And look at the kitten now. Oh my goodness. I'm probably not going to pause all throughout this because I'm trying something different in this video of not pausing. But yeah, let me know what you think about that.
형제를 옆에다 한번 놔볼게요.
Oh, chunky baby.
이게
Oh.
지금 한 배에서 태어난 형제예요.
Oh, yeah, the baby's kind of small. Hi,
비켜가.
Prin. My freaking heart. I can't take it. What a cutie pie. I just want to give you baby smooches. Oh. So cute. Oh, kitty massage. Love it. Yeah, I get in those joints.
기철아, 일로 와. 옳지. 옳지. 이리 와. 이리 와.
My ovaries. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, somebody's hungry. That's very good. Nice and healthy appetite. A little warm bath. Let's see if he's up. Not a water person? Oh, furry little cutie. It's playtime. Cats love that. They love it when you play with them. They need to exert a lot of energy, otherwise they get bored and start doing rude stuff.
너무 이쁘다.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Getting stronger, I see. Lots stronger. Oh, yuck. But I know they love it. Yeah, that's right. Get in there, baby. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, his little teeth. I'm not sure, female or girl. Female or girl. What am I saying? Female or male cat. I'm not sure, but the little teethies. Look at that little fur ball. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Yeah, those teeth aren't very sharp yet. Hi. I'm telling you, when I finally own a cat, it's over for everybody. They're going to be so annoyed with me. It's going to be me and my cat in every photo, I swear. We're going to have matching outfits and everything. Oh. Mama's beautiful. Oh, so baby's so big. He's catching up. He or she is catching up. Oh yeah, that's a meal. Oh yeah, come on. Little cutie pie. Oh yeah, tear it up, baby.
예뻤던 거를 이렇게 예뻤어? 어? 너 이렇게 예쁜 아이였니?
Oh. All cats do is want to sleep all day. They're so cute. Oh, my heart can't take it. My heart can't take it. My heart can't take it. I love it. I love it. I love the sound of purring. I could literally sleep to it.
많이 먹은 거야?
Hey.
기저가.
I just want to give him good sugars. Lots and lots of kisses.
짠짠.
Oh. Kind of looks like a little tiger. Mama is gorgeous, honey. She's gorgeous. Playtime. Wow, the difference is night and day, honestly. Wow, so big. Hi, big boy. Or big girl, whatever. I'm so amused by this. It's relaxing me, honestly. So, oh my goodness. Gorgeous cat, just absolutely gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous cat. They have a lot of things for cats to play with. That's amazing.
기저귀 신났어.
Get it.
와우.
You know, this just shows how tender love and care can really turn any situation around. I mean, I know a lot of people don't believe in miracles, but tender love and care really do miracles, you know? Can really turn it around. He made sure he revived this kitten and nursed it back to good health. And look at this kitten now. It's beautiful. It's my goodness, my heart. I just want a cat so bad. Nice and healthy. Looking gorgeous like mama. Beautiful. Oh, I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed that. It put me into a good mood. I am so sleepy, so it almost put me to sleep. If you guys would like me to react to any more cat or even dog videos, because I just did a dog review if you haven't seen it. If you guys liked it, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up at least, or comment, whatever you want. Yes, oh my goodness. I'm probably going to watch it again, to be perfectly honest, because I just love cats, and that's a beautiful kitten. I'll probably spend the rest of the hour that I have. I'll spend the rest of the hour watching cat videos, most likely. So if you guys have any, please recommend them down in the comments. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!